I want to go now to Tony Romanucci, attorney for the Floyd family and also for the family of Daunte Wright. So, Tony, Omar laying out the drama that went on in court today. Prosecutors said they got new evidence from the medical examiner last night showing Floyd's carbon monoxide levels were normal. The judge refused to share this new evidence with the jury. Prosecutors, they say, knew this theory was going to come up when the trial began. And they didn't bring it up last week when the medical examiner testified. So, obviously, Omar talking about how close this was for a mistrial, but does it concern you that the prosecution missed something like this that could raise doubt?
I really don't think the prosecution missed something. They may have missed an opportunity, but I don't think that they missed anything that the jury hasn't captured. Really, what the defense has been trying to do this whole case is really negate the obvious. The default story here remains the video, common sense, kneeling for 9 minutes on someone's neck. So this issue about the carbon monoxide, I really think is a sideshow, Erin. And with the testimony today of 98% saturation on the hemoglobin, with only the possibility of 2% carbon monoxide, I think they closed the door on that issue.
So we also heard today, Tony, from Derek Chauvin for the first time speaking in court today. He declined to testify in his defense. Here's that moment.
I have advised you, and we have gone back and forth on the matter, would be kind of an understatement, right?
Yes, it is.
And have you made a decision today whether you intend to testify or whether you intend to invoke your Fifth Amendment privilege?
I will invoke my Fifth Amendment privilege today.
Tony, interesting that they had gone back and forth, and it sounded like Derek Chauvin wanted to tell his side of the story, but it's to me sounded like he acquiesced to his attorney's thoughts that it was not a good thing to do. Would you have liked to see him take the stand?
Well, I think we have to play two sides of the coin here. Would I have loved to have heard what he said? Yes. Should he have taken the stand? I think any attorney would have told him, do not take the stand, because I would have been licking my chops at that cross-examination. I would have kept him on that stand for hours going through that video, second by second, asking him, did you relieve the pressure off of his neck at this moment? What about the next moment? Did you hear him say that he couldn't breathe? So it was way too much risk to put him on the stand.
So tonight, we're now bracing for a fifth night of protests in Minneapolis. The Chauvin trial, of course, colliding now with the death of Daunte Wright. And obviously, you are representing the Wright family as well. Razor wire has been installed around all 5 police precincts in Minneapolis, St. Paul. And it's not just there. The D.C. Police Department has mobilized officers starting Monday, taking away time off. New York, Atlanta, Chicago, also preparing. What is the Floyd family's message to anybody who wants to go to the street and protest? And really, I say this, no matter what the verdict is.
Well, first of all, I mean, the Floyd family is not stopping anybody from protesting. Yeah. They do want peaceful protesting. They've said once, they've said it forever. Justice for George is justice for all. And so now we have to worry about justice for Daunte Wright, justice for Adam Toledo. I'm in Chicago. We have to brace for that tonight. Hopefully it'll be peaceful here too. We're talking, this nation is only talking about policing. We need to look at this concept. We need to look at this issue and really get serious about reform. But in the meantime, it is totally permissible to be out in those streets exercising your First Amendment rights and freedom of speech.
All right. I appreciate your time, Tony. Thank you.